Welcome back to the Real Bio Protocol, the channel where we break down the science of peptides, fitness and health optimization that most people will never hear about. Today we are diving into something that could completely change the way you think about healing and recovery. We are going to cover exactly how it works, what the real science says, the results you can expect week by week, and exactly what you need to do to get the most out of it. Stay with us until the end, because we are going to give you the full protocol. Let's get into it. By the end of this video, you are going to know exactly what BPC-157 is, how it repairs your body at the cellular level, the exact dosing protocol the researchers use, and why this might be the single most important compound for anyone dealing with injuries, gut issues, or chronic inflammation. This is the complete guide, everything you need in one place. Your body already makes this compound, right now, inside your stomach. A small protein fragment that your gut produces naturally to protect and repair your digestive lining. Scientists isolated it back in the 1990s. They stabilized it. They tested it. And what they found changed everything we thought we knew about healing. BPC stands for Body Protection Compound. The 157 refers to the specific sequence of 15 amino acids. This is not some synthetic chemical cooked up in a lab. This is a fragment of a protein your body already recognizes. Your cells already know what to do with it. And when you give your body more of it, the results are almost hard to believe. We are talking about tendons healing in half the time, gut inflammation disappearing, muscle tears repairing faster than anyone thought possible, even brain injuries showing improvement. The research is stacked over 50 published studies. And yet most doctors have never even heard of it. Here is the problem. You get injured. You go to your doctor. They tell you to rest, ice it, maybe some physical therapy. Take ibuprofen for the pain. And then you wait. Weeks, months, sometimes years. Tendons and ligaments have terrible blood supply. They heal slowly. Sometimes they never fully heal at all. The standard medical approach to soft tissue injuries has not changed in decades. Rest and anti-inflammatories. That is the playbook. Meanwhile, athletes are sidelined for entire seasons. Regular people live with chronic pain. Surgeries get scheduled that might not even be necessary. And the anti-inflammatories they hand out like candy. NSAIDs, ibuprofen, naproxen. These drugs actually slow down healing. The research is clear on this. They reduce pain in the short term, but they interfere with the natural inflammatory cascade your body needs to rebuild tissue. You feel better, but you heal worse. The medical system is not designed to optimize your recovery. It is designed to manage your symptoms. There is a massive difference, and that gap is exactly where BPC-157 comes in. The science on this peptide is remarkable. A 2010 study in the Journal of Physiology showed BPC-157 accelerated healing of severed Achilles tendons in rats by nearly 70%. A 2014 study demonstrated it healed muscle crush injuries significantly faster than controls. Research published in Life Sciences showed it protects and heals the gut lining in models of inflammatory bowel disease. But here is what makes BPC-157 different from anything else. It works systemically. You can inject it locally into an injured tendon and it helps that specific area. But you can also take it and it finds damaged tissue throughout your entire body. It is like a search and rescue team for your cells. The studies show it promotes angiogenesis. That means it helps grow new blood vessels. This is crucial because blood flow is everything for healing. More blood means more oxygen, more nutrients, more growth factors reaching the damaged tissue. Tendons and ligaments have poor blood supply naturally. BPC-157 helps fix that fundamental problem. It also upregulates growth hormone receptors. It modulates nitric oxide pathways. It has protective effects on the nervous system. Research shows it can even help heal damage from NSAIDs, the very drugs that were supposed to help you but actually slowed your recovery. When BPC-157 enters your system, it triggers a cascade of healing responses. First, it increases the expression of genes involved in tissue repair. Your cells literally start producing more of the proteins they need to rebuild. Think of your body like a construction site. After an injury, you have damaged structures that need repair. BPC-157 is like calling in extra construction crews and giving them better equipment. The work gets done faster and the results are more complete. It stimulates fibroblast migration. Fibroblasts are the cells that produce collagen. Collagen is the structural protein that makes up tendons, ligaments, and connective tissue. More fibroblasts moving to the injury site means faster collagen production means faster healing. The peptide also has powerful anti-inflammatory effects, but unlike NSAIDs, it does not shut down the healing process. It modulates inflammation, brings it to optimal levels, enough to clear damaged tissue but not so much that it causes ongoing destruction. There is also emerging research on its effects on the gut-brain axis. BPC-157 has been shown to have antidepressant effects in animal models. It protects dopamine neurons. It promotes neurological healing. The gut produces this compound naturally, and the gut is directly connected to brain function. This is not surprising when you understand the biology. Here is the protocol the research supports. Dosing is typically between 250 to 500 micrograms per day. You can split this into 2 doses, morning and evening, or take it all at once. For localized injuries, subcutaneous injection near the injury site is most effective. For systemic benefits or gut healing, subcutaneous injection in the abdomen works well. Some people take it orally for gut-specific issues, though injection has better bioavailability for tissue repair. Cycle length in most protocols runs 8 to 12 weeks. Some people run it longer for chronic issues. The peptide has an excellent safety profile in the research with no significant side effects reported even at high doses. For best results, combine BPC-157 with adequate protein intake. Your body needs amino acids to build new tissue, at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Stay hydrated. Get quality sleep. Sleep is when most tissue repair happens. If you are stacking peptides TB500 pairs synergistically with BPC-157, they work through different mechanisms and together they create a powerful healing environment. Many advanced protocols run both simultaneously. Week 1 you might not notice much. The peptide is working at the cellular level. Signaling pathways are activating. Blood vessel growth is beginning. Trust the process. Week 2 many people report reduced pain and inflammation. Sleep often improves. Energy levels start to increase. The healing cascade is building momentum. Week 4 this is where it gets interesting. Old injuries that have bothered you for months or years start feeling different. Range of motion improves. That nagging shoulder or knee that never fully healed begins to change. Week 8 significant tissue remodeling has occurred. Tendons and ligaments are measurably stronger in the research at this point. Gut issues that seemed permanent start resolving. You feel like a different person. Week 12 for many people this is full resolution of injuries that conventional medicine could not fix. The research shows continued benefits even after stopping. The repairs are structural and lasting. You now understand something that most people, including most doctors, will never know. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal itself. BPC-157 amplifies that capacity dramatically. This is not about masking symptoms. This is about actual tissue repair at the cellular level. The information is out there. The research is published. But it stays buried because there is no money in a peptide that actually fixes problems. The system profits from managing your chronic conditions, not from curing them. You do not have to accept that. You have the knowledge now. You understand the science. You have the protocol. What you do with it is up to you. The science is out there and now you have it. That is why we are here. This is the real bio protocol. If you got value from